Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today the UDC, that's the Urban Development Corporation, announced that they were going to be building over 10,000 homes. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Now Jamaica has a serious shortage of units, residential units. I think once it was said that there was a shortage of about 70,000 units. So we have the NHT that builds homes, we have other entities that build homes, as well as private developers who build homes. So this announcement by the UDC is in addition or separate from the houses that the NHT builds. This is a different initiative. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on what the UDC plans to do and where they plan to do it. The Urban Development Corporation, UDC, will develop more than 10,000 housing solutions, prioritizing individuals in the tourism, business process outsourcing, and quick service sectors. This was disclosed by Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness during the UDC's breakfast session with stakeholders from various sectors. The UDC has lands in White House in Westmoreland, where the plan is to build 1,000 housing solutions. There, and they will be of varying grades, whether it is low income, middle income, but you will have a housing solution for every price point. In Negril, we are targeting 1,200 housing solutions that the UDC will build. In Ocherios, we're targeting 1,000 housing solutions, he noted. We're also going to be building out in areas where we have intensive BPO development taking place, as in Hellshire and Brayton. In Hellshire, we're looking to build 2,000 units, in Brayton 2,000 units, and in Caymanas, which will become the new center of the logistics industry, we are planning to build 4,000 housing solutions, the Prime Minister added. Dr. Holness noted that more details will be provided on the initiative at a later time, but noted that this is separate from the 70,000 housing solutions through the National Housing Trust, the National Agency of Jamaica (HAJ), and the New Social Housing Project (NSHP). They are already on the way in developing those housing solutions, so we are bringing essentially more than 10,000 housing solutions to the market through the UDC, he stated. Meanwhile, he said the solutions will assist in providing affordable housing for workers in critical sectors. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Alright guys, have a good day. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.